No.
No fighting with each other.
Hold on a second. They just go. Why are we getting emotional today? Oh my god. I'm sorry. Some of these lines hit. Some of these lines just hit really, really deep.
I don't think we went with the feels.
No, we did not go. Not wow. He does not know what an undershirt is.
Like we said during the stream, his shirt is the bobbies.
K-pop fans, welcome back to K-CordGirls. Welcome if you're new. I'm Mark. I'm Bree.
Oh!
Alright, my bro.
I got no limit.
We're done.
Hey, K-pop fans, welcome back to K-CordGirls. Welcome if you're new. I am Bree.
I'm Mark.
And today we have a new release double feature. So we have NCTDREAM's Rains in Heaven MV, which was released 3 days ago. And then we have Jaehyun from NCT 127 and his, I think this is the title track for his release, or for his comeback, Smoke. I say comeback. I think this is actually like a solo debut. Like this is his first, which I feel like everyone in NCT right now is kind of like taking turns having a solo debut. And I'm really enjoying seeing what everyone's putting out and seeing the different sounds and styles that each one of them want to take. So I think it'll be interesting. He's one of the dangerous ones. So I don't know if that's what we're going to get, or he might surprise us and we might just get something completely different. Who knows? And then I think, if I'm not mistaken, that I read somewhere that NCTDREAM's Rains in Heaven is all English.
Oh, wow. Okay.
I think. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into these. But before we do, if you guys like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and what else, Mark?
Hit that bell.
Also, reach out to us on our socials. Come chat, hang out, talk with us in Discord, and you can check out our exclusive reactions on Patreon. We are also streaming on Twitch Fridays through Sundays. We are watching Idol Producer. We're starting Meteor Garden this weekend, and then we're does Through the Darkness on Sundays. And we are going to do Rains in Heaven first. It's that one released first. This already looks and sounds really pretty.
But I am always by your side. We are all the same, but we're different.
Oh, wow.
When you cry, it rains in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms, only in my arms. Keep your heart with me, let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are.
Oh my god. No.
No fighting with each other.
Hold on a second. They just go. Why are we getting emotional today? I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting emotional. And then we're gonna pull out the acting too. No. I don't want to cry today. Can we not do that? Oh my god. god, that's so pretty.
Looking back, no, don't let any of our past chase us down, you know. We're nothing that we're made to think.
Oh my god. I'm sorry, some of these lines just hit really, really deep, you know?
Right.
I'm like, y'all need to stop. This is a lot. Wow. Wow, okay.
Down, you know. We're nothing that we're made to think. To believe we are all the same, but how different now. When you cry, it brings in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms. Only in my arms. Keep your heart with me. Let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change. How I think I love the way you are, the way you are.
Remember the reason of love. Told me that you won't give up. Falling, we walk, so we run. Get off the ground, go up higher and higher now. Falling like a shooting star. Hit you anywhere you are. You ain't even gotta call.
'Cause I'll be there. We are all the same, but how different.
Damn.
When you cry, raising heaven. No, I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms. Only in my arms. Keep your heart with me. Let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change. How I think I love the way you are, the way you
Oh my god.
Man, these ad libs remind me of like 90s ad libs.
Yes.
Sorry, that was a bit of a throwback. It's just the song is a lot. This music is a lot.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
It's a
This
lot.
is a lot.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Let's go.
Oh my god. Okay, stop. We don't need to do that on top of everything, okay? Goodness gracious. Oh, wow. I started tearing up a few times there. I was like, I need a second to take a breath because this is a lot. It's a lot. Oh, wow. Whew. I'm trying to see if I can put what I'm thinking or feeling into words without completely messing this up, so we'll see. I mean, first of all, it was absolutely beautiful. Musically, the MB visually beautiful. I even really love how, even though this was like a softer, really, really pretty song, that last section had this really nice little beat section that went through.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Man. Lyrically though, man, some of those lines really hit deep.
Yeah.
Let's see here. There were a few parts, God. Like this one, for one, was one of the first ones that came out, and I was like, oh, okay.
Right.
Because that's so relatable
Mm-hmm.
in so many ways. A lot of times when someone's hurting, you don't necessarily think about how other people hurt. Or sometimes if you're thinking about someone's differences, you aren't also thinking about the fact that they still have feelings the way you have feelings, you know?
Right.
So I really love that line. But there were so many others too. I love the dream with no regrets line. That one. That one.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one hit really deep. And again, I think this is something that can be relatable to most people. So a lot of the
Right.
times you're perceived one way or you're made to think like this is all you are, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes when that happens, you stop thinking about who you really are or what you can really do. You stop thinking about whether or not you are more than what people are saying or making you think you are.
Mm-hmm.
So I love that line so much. Man, they hit deep with this one. They really did. And then the acting chops on top of it. Goodness gracious. Jenna and Jaemin's part nearly ripped my heart out.
Right.
Nearly ripped it right out my chest. But then we also had, yeah, and then that, oh my god, the acting chops. Goodness gracious, guys. This section though, with the three of them huddled together, it wasn't as intense as Jenna and Jaemin's part because they were, shoving and screaming and that. But this, just like taking comfort in one another,
Yeah.
like you hear that saying sometimes of like sometimes you find your people and that's like your home. And that's
Right.
what that reminded me of. Is like they're with their people, they're at home and able to just take comfort in that no matter what they're going through and just lean on one another.
Right. It really felt like they were taking just a moment, just this like quiet moment of I'm here for you, you're here for me. Let's just re-energize, take a breath together.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So it wasn't as intense of a moment, but I still think it hit just as hard.
Right. It was very powerful.
It was. This whole video and song was very powerful. Wow. I'm amazed. I'm a bit shell shocked. I'm a bit stunned. But this was a deep, deep one. Goodness gracious. Thank you a lot, guys, because we totally need to start off the week in our feels. Yes.
Right.
And again, though, the video itself, visually stunning. Oh my god. Like that. Oh wow. That scene, this little like rock garden or rocky garden type cement area, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. All of this was so well done. I honestly could not praise it enough. Man, good job, guys. Good job. And they sounded fantastic. Oh my
Right.
god.
That was beautiful.
That high note, that run that Hey-chan had towards the end, I was like, yes, get it.
Right. But I like how it was counterbalanced with the deep, 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 deep notes.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. It was a nice balance of the two. Ugh, great song. Great job, guys. Now we're gonna I don't know what we're doing. I was gonna say now we're gonna like switch sides here, but I legitimately do not know what to expect from Jaehyun right now. Who knows? He could wind up surprising us and hitting us with the feels. You never know.
Might.
So we're just gonna jump in and see what happens.
Jump in if you feel it. Yeah.
Say what you say, what's the play? Trying to get caught up with you.
Well, he looked mad.
Yeah, he looked big mad. He's like, I'm so mad, I'm taking off my clothes.
Oh, we full stripping in the hallway.
Oh, wow.
Come take you out, yeah. 앨범 한 바퀴 돌리고 나는 your turn, baby. Oh, 하루를 맡겨줘. Let me take you out. 조명을 낮춰. The sun is going down. 불길은 쳐다봐 when you at the top. Yeah, I got the. Hold up, you're too hot, too hot.
Okay.
Coming out the boombox. Hold up, you're too
I don't think we went with the feels.
No, we did not go. Not, wow. I was about to say not those kinds of feels, but okay. Wow. The hell, sir. Okay. Okay.
Too hot, too hot. Smoke coming out the boombox. Hold up, you're too hot, too hot. Smoke coming out the boombox.
That's a move.
Trunk going crazy.
Oh my god.
한껏 피는 아주랑. Hot girl, pump up the AC, pump up the AC. 해와 같이 타는 시선. 해가 떨어지면 붕 떠 위.
Yeah, wow. What are we? What? What?
I don't know why I'm fooling around to come take you out. Yeah, 앨범 한 바퀴 돌리고 나는
This guy's going through some
oh,
stuff.
what
What in the world is going on?
The sun is going down. And I don't know that, but when you hit the dark, yeah, I got the. Hold up, you're too hot, too hot.
Okay.
Smoke coming out the boombox. Hold up, you're too hot, too hot. Smoke coming out the boombox.
Wow, sir. Okay.
You're too hot, too hot. Smoke coming out the boombox. Hold up, you're too hot, too hot. Smoke coming out the boombox. I'm pulling around you.
I do like it has a touch of this kind of jazzy sound in there, though. Just a touch of it.
Let me take you out.
Someone was stripping in the hallway.
I gotta take you out.
Smoke coming out the boom.
He does not know what an undershirt is.
Like we said during the stream, his shirt is the bobbies.
The bobbies.
The bobbies is the
God,
shirt.
The bobbies is the shirt. Wow. No. No. That felt unnecessarily aggressive, sir. Okay? Well then.
I'm not even sure what to say. It was good. The song was really good. The music video was
A little confusing.
interesting.
At first, it looked like he was like freaking out and like needed to go in his apartment and like lock all the locks and wash
He
everything.
was
and
like having
it was like he was
some
being
like serious
paranoid or
OCD moments there, and I was
Right?
like,
It was like
whoa.
OCD mixed with paranoia, you know?
yeah.
But then, like, maybe he
Just,
had
like,
a
all
reason
the
to be
locks.
because then the couch ate him.
I'll be honest, that part, I was like, oh my god, the couch is eating him. And then he came out the other side and liquid was kind of like brown. I was like, ew. Because I was like being sucked into the couch. I find couches gross anyways because they dirty and just gross. And I was like, that's gross. And then he came out with brown liquid all over him. And I was like, ew. That would probably be what would happen if your couch got
Digested you?
wet and sucked you in. I don't know. it was a trip.
Right?
That was a trip.
Right? Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know if I can really grasp the music video entirely. But like I said, the first part I was like, okay, OCD and paranoia. But then after that, I was like, I got no freaking clue.
Right, because I was
No
like,
clue.
okay, we got OCD and paranoia going on, but he also loving himself a lot.
Yeah.
Like he was like, man, I have a baby to himself. 'Cause he was
And I
loving
mean,
on
who
himself
would
in the
blame
mirror.
him? Who would blame him though?
I'm not blaming nobody. I get it. I get it. And then like also wanting to, I don't know what the purpose, like date himself. I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm just assuming,
Yeah.
or check on himself. I don't know. He was in the apartment, but also knocking on the door.
Yeah. Saying I'm gonna come pick you up. It's like, you know what? Everyone should love themselves that much, okay?
Yeah.
You should date yourself, okay?
Yes, I would date myself. I would treat myself so nice.
Right? Oh god.
Interest. I don't even know. I can't even begin. I don't even know where to start.
Yeah.
It was good though. Song
It
was good.
Love the song.
Music video was interesting.
Love the song. Love the styling. Bobby's
Love
for
the
shirts.
styling.
Gotta
Bobby's
love
for
that.
shirts.
I was not even the least bit surprised with that. I was like, honestly, I would be more surprised if he stayed fully clothed. So, because he's
Yep.
one of the ones that has just a touch of a clothing allergy, just a little bit, just a little bit.
It's an epidemic. I don't.
Yeah, it is. I'm mad at it though.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh my god. Well, with that said, I guess we will go ahead and wrap this one up. We got hit with the feels, and then we got hit with a
That.
lot. I'm like, great song with some
Great
smexy
styling.
vibes. Also a little bit confusing.
I did not understand the message, but that's yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
it was good. It was great.
it's great.
It was good. It was great.
It was great. Yep.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll go ahead and wrap this one up. Hopefully you all enjoyed it as much as we did, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Stop.
Oh wow!
You don't have to make every song a host song, sir.
Oh my god!
That's a 5 out of 5 chili peppers. Good job.
Todd, I need you to not be so toxic. It makes me look so bad.
Oh my god!
The little wetsuits are so cute. Wait a minute. That's a ladle.
These guys are gonna have nightmares after this.
Right?
With a homie just running with safety.
Oh my god.
I thought you was leaving. Are you saying you're gonna be right back? Yes! Yes!
나도 사랑.
Oh god. Oh my god.
I
Get it,
mean,
girl. Why
I don't
not?
blame you! Oh my god!
What is going on? Chungstick is like, you guys don't talk about me enough. And it's like, we will
sorry.
start.
No!
Oh my god.
Wow!
He's just right up in the camera. I need you to get on my face.
Oh my god! This looks hilarious!
He's like, where's our manager?
But he didn't have to go that. He didn't have to go that high with his shirt.
This is the performance I wanted you to see like a year ago.
To get the juice, giving you
Quick, quiet. Right there.
Stop! Stop!
See?
What?
fantasy.
See?
See? She's like, you heard me.
I love her. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Look at the cat's face.
God!